Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge in General. Today in this very short tutorial we will see how to render a project in Sony Vegas only in one go because we face problem while adjusting the sound bar of a video. Actually this video is for both international and national users, hence अपनी बात मैं अब हिंदी में बोलने जा रहा हूँ. देखिए यूट्यूबर्स जो सोनी वेगास प्रो यूज करते हैं उनके साथ अपना प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड करने में प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही होगी कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बनने के बाद जो ऑडियोज रह जाती हैं उनकी क्लैरिटी के लिए आपको डबल रेंडर करना पड़ता है. वो डबल रेंडर ना करना पड़े, एक ही बारी में पूरी वीडियो कैसे रेंडर की जा सकती है उसी का ट्यूटोरियल ये आपको क्लियरली बताएगा. बिकॉज इससे रिलेटेड ट्यूटोरियल पूरे इंटरनेट पे नहीं मिलेगा आपको. और ये बहुत छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है. तो without wasting much time, let us go to our computer screen.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So guys, here is one of the project I was working on. So here it is. So the problem we face is if we see this thing, see the videos, the particular project has different videos, different graphics, different stickers related to it, and now even the audio bar, you see audio bar has different small videos. See if you move it here, so we have different audios. So generally what we do is we render this thing, and in the second attempt we adjust the audio volume. So this is a big problem every YouTuber generally faces. So to solve this problem, what we do is at this moment of time when your project is absolutely ready for rendering except the audio one, now what we do is we go to this thing, file, and we choose save as. So we save anyways. I'm saving it at the desktop. You can save it anywhere. We'll save this file as a test file, or you can give it any name. I'm giving it a test file 1. So I'm going to save it. So what will happen is this particular file has been saved as a desktop. Now second part we do is we go again to the file section and import. So I'm going to import that particular file which I really recently saved. It was a test file .veg. So I imported it. So this rendering might take a small time because generally a rendering of this much big file of approximately 6 minutes with all the graphics and other things, it might take around 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but this will happen in say less than 1 minute or so. So what will happen is in a few moments you will see this particular file will be present here in this small video. Let it render. It is around 73%. So we'll have to talk and we'll have to waste a little more time here. And I think we are very nearby. So okay, so sorry. So here you see our file is here, right? By the name of test, if I'm right. Yes, here. So now we will place this file here. Okay. So now the thing is, this particular project which has to be rendered initially has already been rendered in this particular area. You want to see this? So what I'll do is I'll play for you right from here. Okay. So this is my project starting. So if I'll play here, see. Hi friends, क्या आप ये जानते हैं कि 1 टन ओर से 1 ग्राम सोना निकाला जा सकता है, लेकिन आपको जान के हैरानगी होगी कि 41 स्मार्टफोनों से भी. So I'm pausing it here and now I'll start from this point. See. Hi friends, क्या आप ये जानते हैं कि 1 टन ओर से 1 ग्राम सोना निकाला जा सकता है, लेकिन आपको जान के हैरानी
So
होगी
the best
कि
part is the problem is solved here. If you see this audio is in one single loop. So now what I'll have to do is I'll have to just select this area and has to delete it. So I'll do deleting by this thing. I'll group it like this and delete. I'll group it again, all the audios, all the different things, delete. So these two are left, so this is actually not required. So what I'll do is I'll delete the tracks. See, one here, I delete the track 1, delete the track 2. So now the thing is, I have one, the project is in front of me. Without wasting any time, now what I can do is, the best part is I can use Audacity here like this and open in an audio editor. So here you will see the auditor is ready to edit. Now I can edit my audio here and increase the audio, give a clarity to it, and a final render at the end with an audio. I think that's gonna solve your problem. And please make sure to select this one, the faster one. Read the files directly from the origin. Okay, and you see it is already been here, so you're good to go. And so that's all for the video. Thank you.
So that's all guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.